As Federal Reserve policymakers meet Tuesday for the last time this year for a two-day meeting, analysts and investors are questioning if the U.S. central banks will scale back its stimulus program. A better-than-forecast November jobs report and the bipartisan budget accord reached last week raised the possibility that the Fed may taper back its $85 billion a month bond buying program rather than delay action until early next year. The prospect of tapering sent stocks to their worst week in nearly 4 months last week. The Fed has also been buying treasuries and mortgage-backed bonds to keep long-term interest rates low. Responding to a new Reuters poll, a majority of economists said they expect Fed policymakers, to defer action until January or March, but the number of those expecting a Fed move in December has increased compared with one a month ago. The Christmas shopping season was sent to take a hit when workers at Amazon.com's Germany operation announced plans for a strike. The workers are arguing over a pay dispute that has been going on for months. The strike plan was to hit Amazon's logistics center in Bad Hersfeld and Leipzig, as well as in Graben, which would be seeing its first strike ever. Amazon's headquarters in Seattle, was also expected to see a delegation of German workers protesting along with U.S. unions. More protests in Germany were set for Tuesday as the workers tried to get Amazon to accept the collective bargaining agreements that settled pay for the workers at the German distribution centers. Amazon maintains that its workers receive above-average pay already by the standards of the industry. There are approximately 9,000 Amazon employees in Germany. A new collection of 50-year-old never-been commercially released Beatles recordings will be available Tuesday exclusively on iTunes. The legacy and marketing-savvy release of the Beatles bootleg recordings 1963 anticipates what would have been the expiration at the end of December of copyright protection on the 59 songs in the 2-hour collection. A November revision of European Union intellectual property laws extends copyright protection of released songs to 70 years. If Apple Corporation, which owns the copyrights, didn't make these recordings available for sale, every Beatles collector with bootleg MP3 files could legally put out their own album, Fortune magazine reports. Reporting from Millionaire Corner, I'm Heather Kiley. Thanks for watching.